Hey guys, welcome back to Practically Creative with Melissa. As you can tell, my voice still isn't great, so I'm going to go ahead and put this up as a pre-recorded video. Couple of things going on. First, I want to start with numbers, which I always do. Colleen is still over 1190. Sylvia is at 863. Dawn at My Quilt Projects is at 976. Miss Ellen is at 743. And Lori at Quilting in the Country is at 234. So all my friends are doing really good. I'm glad for that. I appreciate it if you guys go over there and check them out. Um, I like to support other creators. So, if you like to watch YouTube videos about different perspectives and different approaches on doing things, please feel free to check them all out. Second big piece of news. I was going through my Quilt Builder card deck box this week to find the next card that I'm going to do a video for. And I have done all of the blocks that are in here. There's a couple of mosaic blocks that are very similar that I didn't do separate videos on, but they're all very similar. All the mosaics are. So I didn't do all of them separately. If you find one that I don't have a video on, and you would like me to do a video, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to retire this to the shelf for a bit, and we're going to move on to Quilt Builder card deck number 2. And this box is purple. I don't know if you can tell, but I've already chosen the first block out of it, and I will put up a separate video for that next week. What I have done, and I'll put up a couple of pictures of it for you here, is I gathered up all of my quilt blocks this week from my Quilt Builder card deck 1, went ahead and put them into a utility quilt, and all I did to them differently was I put in 2-inch sashing strips in between my blocks, and once I had those sashing strips in between the blocks themselves, then I put them in rows, and I've got it put together on my design wall. Hopefully I will have that finished up and quilted sometime this week. That's my goal. Get a little more sewing time now with Wayne being gone to his new job, because he's not here for me to be interrupting whenever I'm trying to quilt something. So with all that said, I'm going to do let's see, World's Fair puzzle. I did Washington Sidewalk last week. I'm going to do the World's Fair puzzle block as a separate video this week. I'll record that probably tomorrow and have it up for, at the latest, Monday evening. I have talked to the doctor about the voice. All she's telling me is you just got to wait for it to get back to full strength. So I'm already sounding like a frog, and I've only been on here just a couple of minutes. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put up the construction part of the Quilt Builder card deck quilt number 1 for you guys, and I'll put some music on it. But since I'm planning to put this video up as a premiere, I won't put loud music on it, and then we can all chat, because I will be in the chat with you guys, and we can chat and talk about other things that are going on, and hopefully I can answer any questions you have. So with that, let's go on over to watching the construction of the quilt, and I will talk to you guys all soon. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it.